Hello everyone and welcome to SmallCap Spotlight. Today we have the privilege of hosting a company that has held the mantle of being the top exporter in India in the 90s and has received accolades for that. I have with me Mr. R.K. Aggarwal. He's the founder and CEO of Nirmal Overseas Private Limited. Mr. Aggarwal, an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you for your coming here also and given opportunity to us to speak something about it. Our company, the engineering company, it is the first Indian company who started to manufacture high frequency welder in this country. Everybody was importing this machine for UK, USA and West Germany. Even then people are not having the facility to repair these machines. And it is the first company in India who started to manufacture in this country. I have experience. I was chief engineer electrical in Jindals and I worked there from 1973 to 1980. And I start myself after leaving the company, I start myself to manufacture this welder. And this is the 100% import substitute award, number one. And we get from Venkataramanji this 100% import substitute award also. After that, even then not stop the import. We had started to export this machine in different countries. Already we had exported nearby 25 countries to export this time, and we are also supplying complete turnkey projects to nationally and internationally also. We had exported our major customer in Middle East and Africa. Like that, we have supplied in Saudi Arabia, in Oman, UAE, Angola, Guni Konarki, Kuwait, Iraq, Bangladesh, Nepal. So many countries we started our projects. Every year we export project also. And this is the only company in India who make complete turnkey project to pipes made from half inch to 20 inch diameter up to make API line. API line for use for oil and gas sector.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
We had supplied the complete turnkey project in Sudan government also. In Sudan, where we supply machine to make pipe up to 14-inch pipe to make API pipe. This is the background of company. In India also, we have major customers like Tata Steel vendors in Jamshedpur, in different area of the country also. Jindal we have supplied, JSW is my customer, JSL is my customer, or even then Bhushan Steel was also my customer. Now they have some problem, but they are my customer also. This is our background and for the company.
So first you are into welding machinery and now you're doing full turnkey.
First we make high frequency welders which used for continuous welding of pipes. That is the main technological item which was not available in this country. And everybody was importing.
And now you're into full turnkey for steel industry.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So it's particularly for, I think, two steel products or two end steel products. So is there any plan to expand
Yeah, we are planning to increase our activities in Saudi Arabia. Before that, we have having office and our outlet in Dubai also. But now Dubai we had closed. Now we are going to start in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia in the Middle East market is a very big market for that. Nowadays, it is coming up, very big coming up. So we plan to open our company in Jeddah also. So this is like that.
How are you funding? I mean, what is your source of capital? I mean, you're of course not a public limited company. So if you could tell us a bit about, because all of these are very heavy capex projects.
You see in the funding, actually we are dealing with this time in Canara Bank. But other things like that, whatever profit we are getting every year, we are putting in our company now. So that our main interest no need to take much funding, so that we should be very competitive. Because our competition with the China, we are having Chinese competition, but we are better than China. Our price is very good than China, and quality is we are offering German quality.
So, pehle China ka kitna hota tha, and now how much do you think? I mean, how do you think this dynamic has changed?
I can explain about it. About in Middle East, in Africa, we cover nearby 25% market of Chinese like this. Because in India, what we are giving to the customer, we give very good customer service. Sales service is there. We do up to erection and commissioning of the project, so that there should be no problem to the customer. That is like that. And our price is, our machine is quality very good. We follow German designs like this. Because before that, I have technology from management DMAC Germany also. So that we follow that design also. So that German machine is very strong and very rugged machines.
Hmm.
And maintenance is very less, I tell you.
So this is a technology that you have learned from Germany and you're
Yes.
implementing in
In
your
India,
in
yes.
your designs.
Correct.
So tell me in terms of expansion only. I know Middle East is a big
Yeah.
market for you, but now that you are, I mean, you know, now China pe to tariffs वगैरह लग गए हैं from
Yes,
the United
yes.
States. Any plan to go there?
No, United States, we are not planning to do it. Our basic idea first cover to Middle East Africa, then go to Europe.
But you don't see any opportunity there now that you know
USA?
there is a tariff on China.
But if tariff on China, we are getting advantage in Middle East Africa very well. And now
Okay.
people, and the Saudi people are very much interested to work with Indian companies.
Yeah,
They are very much, before that they are not interested.
I see.
Now our country have good developed in the machinery side.
Hmm.
It is a good development.
So you think the Middle East is now looking at India in a big way?
Yeah, very big.
Okay.
Like this.
So what's your, if you could tell us a bit about your order book, roughly how is it right now and how do you see it growing?
Orders normally we have 70 to 30%. 70% we are doing export
Okay.
and 30% we are doing Indian market. Like this.
Okay. All
And
right.
we have good business now.
Hmm.
Recently, we have very good business.
Any plans to go to public market for an
No,
IPO?
still not decided. One of
Yeah.
my friend came today. He told me, why not going to public? I told him that we will see.
Yeah. No, but
Right.
it's, I mean, it's a positive sign, the fact that you are churning out your profits on your own to reinvest. You don't necessarily.
Because due to that, we have cost of machine is less. We are very
Okay.
competitive. Because we are not paying so much interest and overhead for that. That is a very good
Okay.
thing for us.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for all those insights. All the very best for your expansion to the Middle Eastern markets as well.
I am
sir.
very thankful to you come here and given an opportunity to discuss with you. Very
Absolutely.
nice. So much thanks for it. Thank you for that.